In this video, we are going to learn all about syllables. What are syllables? What are the rules for dividing words into syllables? And how does learning this skill help me read longer words? So what exactly are syllables? Syllables are smaller parts of a word that has only one vowel sound. If there's only one vowel sound in the word, then it could be the whole word is one syllable. Sometimes we call this chunking, and we don't mean that kind of chunking. So let's look at a couple examples. The word cat only has one vowel sound, so there's only one syllable. The word chunky has two vowel sounds, so there are two syllables. And the word curious has three vowel sounds, so there are three syllables. Now let's look at the rules for dividing words into syllables. The first rule is to split a word between compound words. So for the word birdhouse, to divide it into syllables, it becomes bird house. Moonlight becomes moon light. And basketball becomes basket ball. There are three syllables in that word. The next rule is to split between doubled letters. The word letter will be divided between the two T's to become let-ter. The word balloon will be divided between the two L's to become ball-loon. And finally, the word penny will divide it into two syllables right between the two N's to become pen-knee. In words that end in LE, the rule is to include the final consonant with the LE for a syllable. Our first example is the word purple. That becomes purple. Do you see how we kept the P with the LE? In the word candle, where do you think we're going to divide it? Between the N and the D. So it becomes can-dle. And in the word marble, we're going to keep that B with the LE, so marble has two syllables, mar-bull. The next rule is to split the word between the two consonants on vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel patterns. In the word sister, we are going to divide the word between the S and the T. So we have two syllables, sis-ter. In magnet, we'll divide between the G and the N. Magnet. And in the word pumpkin, we're going to divide between the P and the K for pumpkin. The last rule is to separate affixes that make a vowel sound. So walking will be divided into walk-ing. In the word remove, we will divide after the prefix re. So we have remove. And in the word incorrect, we will divide after the prefix in, and then the word correct has two syllables. So there are three syllables in the word incorrect. How does learning this skill help me read longer words? When we divide or chunk longer words into shorter, more manageable parts, reading big words is a lot easier. Unfathomable becomes unfathomable. We can divide the word conscientious into con, she, and shus. And finally, generosity gets divided into 5 syllables. Gen, si, ti. Now that you know all of the rules for dividing words into syllables, it will be easier to read those big words.